Hey you guys, so I've been just doing things lately with all of my old wigs and stuff, and just trying to utilize time to perfect different skills during this quarantine. And I was trying to think of hairstyles I always wanted to try, and I thought of a mullet, and I did it, and I'm actually like super happy with it. I've always like enjoyed this vibe, even when it was like the aunties who used to wear them. I've always liked it. So yeah, this is not necessarily a tutorial, but kind of just showing you what I went through as I was creating this look. And yeah, just kind of like things that I learned also while doing it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, because I had like a lot of fun. I was bored and I had time on my hands. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you do like it, and make sure you subscribe. I'll put more cool things out there, okay? Okay, you guys, so I'm getting this old wig of mine that I have back from South by. It's pretty beat up, but it will do. You know, just put your wig on like normal, since this is like having bangs. I didn't do a ball cap method or anything. I didn't think it was necessary, but I'm just gonna put, whoa, wow. Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, just put your wig on. I look a little crazy, but yeah, put your wig on and, you know, straighten it up and just comb it out and get it to how it needs to be and how you want to position for your look. So now I have my wig positioned all like I wanted, and I'm just gonna start carving out the part of my mullet that's gonna be the shortest part, which is the front part. I first started with just like carving a little bit behind my ears, but I did later on see that I needed to pull out more, but this is just a great step to get your initial guide. So now I'm just gonna get to cutting. I decided to use a razor comb to start off doing this look, because I thought it could be the best to getting me a more like undefined, just really shaggy look. And for the most part, it did initially do what I wanted it to do, but I do recommend like starting off with this and maybe going back in with shears. So around this time, I started realizing that I wasn't going necessarily with my reference photo that I first imagined. So I went back and I just separated where I wanted those sideburns, and I got to cutting again and going even shorter at the top and a little bit further back. At this point, I was feeling hella discouraged. Like, I just, y'all, I just didn't know what to do. It wasn't looking like I thought. But I just knew I had to get this look executed. So I went back in with some baby shears, and I just started really cutting it up, like making statement cuts, like just strong short pieces to just get my shape so I could at least see something coming in. So now I'm starting to see like the real mullet effect. I got my thinning shears just to start adding texture, and I was really influenced at this part like by David Bowie, so I just went to chopping and just tried to see what would happen. And I really started seeing that the more I texturized back into the longer pieces, it really got the look. So that's a really good tip. Okay, y'all, I know this clip is such a big jump from the last clip, but I was super discouraged and I actually quit filming for a second. But nonetheless, I came back and you know, it actually started getting together when I started styling it. Right here you see me trying to style it, but your girl is super dyslexic, and looking into this viewfinder was blowing me, and I just couldn't get it. Well, y'all can sit here and watch me struggle to do this, or you can just fast forward 10 seconds to see the finished product. And so here is the final look. I'm super happy with it. I feel like a rock star and an auntie at the same time. I hope you guys are now inspired to pull off this fun look. So stay tuned and subscribe for more content.